So customer phones me up, there's no central heating, no hot water. So I've come in here and it's just an open vented boiler, 2 pipes off the top. And so I'm thinking, I got here, I turned it on and it was rattling and banging off the wall. So obviously I'm thinking there's either no water in the system or the pump is gone. So I've gone up into the loft, checked the actual float in the tank. That's okay, because sometimes they stick up. And so this one was all right. I turned the gate valve had been switched off. So I turned the gate valve on, I could hear water coming in. I thought, oh, that's all right. But it wasn't that. It was actually the pump that had burnt out anyway in the end. So here I'll show you how I replaced the pump. So I've got this pump today. It's a Grundfos pump. Very unusual that they break down, but this one's broken down. I think it's broken down because there's been no water. Somebody turned the gate valve off. So I've tried to undo the nuts with my grips, and I'm struggling like mad. So what I usually try and do is heat them up, heat the nuts up a little bit, and hopefully that will expand the brass nut and allow me to actually undo the nut. So I'll try that. So I've heated that up. Obviously got to be careful of that stuff behind, that felt like it sets on fire, and it sets everything on fire. So let's have a look at this. Nope. So what I'm trying to have to do now, trusty hammer and chisel. So get it on the edge of the nut and stun it. There you go, I think that's got it now. So that's one of the nuts undone. So what I usually do, in case I break those nuts, I bring some other nuts with me, pump nuts. So this is the actual pump valve, and that's round, and you think, well, how do you get that on there? It's got little cutout pieces in, as you can see, and you just slide it on like that, and it ends up on there like that. It's not magic, it just does it by itself. So what we do now is I'm going to do the other one. I'll take that off and I'll show you when I've actually installed it. It's very difficult, this one. I'm sweating cobs, as you can see. So that's it, it's all back together now. I managed to get the nuts back on with the rubber washers, no leaks, so that was good. Wire it up, job's a good one. Press the button, popped him onto 2. Job's a good one. And you know what? That is why I love plumbing and sweating in loft.